Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Toyota Tacoma 2017. Start by warming the engine briefly, park on level ground, and engage the parking brake. Lay out your tools including a drain pan, socket set, oil filter wrench, and gloves. Check oil type and capacity for your Tacoma, and prepare a new filter and exactly 6 quarts of recommended oil before you jack the truck. Begin by lifting the Tacoma securely with jack stands and wheel chocks for safety. Place a drain pan beneath the oil pan and remove the drain plug with the correct socket, watching the oil flow. Let the oil drain completely, then wipe the area clean before reinstalling the drain plug and torquing it to the factory specification. Inspect the drain plug washer and replace it if worn or damaged. Remove the old oil filter carefully and check the mounting surface for remnants of the old gasket. Lightly coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil, then thread it on and tighten by hand to the recommended snugness. Lower the truck, pour in exactly 6 quarts of specified oil, and start the engine briefly to circulate oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and verify the level with the dipstick before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.